Running a travel agency is all about helping clients plan unforgettable trips, but managing leads, scheduling consultations, and following up can take valuable time away from creating those dream vacations. That's why we've created a GoHighLevel GHL automation workflow template tailored specifically for travel agencies. This solution automates your lead management, simplifies booking, and streamlines communication, so you can focus on helping your clients explore the world. Here's how it works. 1. Lead capture. 2. The system automatically gathers leads from your website, social media, and ads, organizing them in the GHL CRM, so you never lose a potential client. 3. Instant follow-ups. 4. When a lead inquires about your travel services, the system sends automated follow-ups via SMS or email, keeping them engaged and encouraging them to book a consultation. 5. Online booking system. 6. Clients can easily book consultations or travel planning sessions online through an integrated calendar, making the process convenient and hassle-free. 7. Automated reminders. 8. The system sends reminders for scheduled consultations and upcoming trips, ensuring clients stay informed and prepared. 9. Post-trip follow-ups. 10. After their journey, the system follows up with clients to thank them, gather feedback, and encourage repeat bookings or referrals. This automation workflow template is designed to save you time, enhance client relationships, and grow your travel agency. With lead capture, follow-ups, booking, reminders, and post-trip engagement all handled automatically, you'll have more time to focus on crafting exceptional travel experiences. Ready to transform your travel agency? Click the link in the description below to download the full automation workflow template for GHL and start automating your success today. Don't wait. Streamline your agency operations now.